Hi everyone, welcome to Nefis TV. Today I'll show you this simple recipe for stuffed peppers known as biber dolması. It's super delicious. I hope you give it a try and enjoy as well. Mix together 1 diced onion, 1 1/4 cup of rice, 1 tablespoon of tomato paste, some chopped parsley, 1 diced tomato, ground black pepper, salt, dried mint, and 3 tablespoons of olive oil. Fill the peppers with the rice mixture, but before that, wash the peppers, remove the stems, and scoop out the seeds. Then they are ready for stuffing. Once you fill the peppers, place them in a medium-sized pan. You'll see it's better not to overfill the peppers because the rice will need enough room to expand while it cooks, and you cover the opening of each with a slice of tomato. In a bowl, mix 1 tablespoon of tomato paste and 600 milliliters of hot water. Add it to the pan to reach halfway up the peppers and drizzle about 2 tablespoons of olive oil over the peppers. Let the peppers simmer gently with the cover on until the rice is soft. Stuffed peppers are ready to serve. Enjoy! If you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and click the bell icon. Thanks for watching.